What if church wasn't a building? What if hope met you at the table, not the altar? What if healing didn't wait until Sunday? Welcome to the open table. This is not a program. It's not a performance. It's a place for you. In a world full of noise, it's easy to feel lost. We scroll, we strive, we search, but we were made for more than survival. We were made for relationship, for purpose, for Christ. The open table creates space for young men to reconnect with truth, to ask questions without judgment, to seek faith with community, to begin again. Jeremiah 29:13. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. Meet Caleb. A year ago, he was wandering, disconnected from faith and family. Then, a mentor from the open table reached out. A simple conversation, a shared prayer, and the door opened. Caleb found Christ again. Not in a sermon, but in a brother. Not in a church pew, but at a table. This is the open table, a place to seek, a place to be found.